Díobh fad tásúil an gúisih go maith Colmán anseo ó Bloc TG cethair tá muid gimmar Call of Duty in nocht Twitch anseo le Bloc TG cethair tá muid Facebook, Twitter gachad ar a chuma tá chun an campaign íana an chúis le seo nar i remain campaign ag Call of Duty le fad an lá so bula muid faoi tásúil an go muin sibh taine bhas an stró agus feic muid linn Níor méid le Call of Duty nis le fada mar bhí sé chá agus thu sé go dtí áitecha nach ra le ggéirgur nach sé súslíonn spás agus rudí eiste mar sé dúla mis maclab tá sé seo toscaí cabú seo Call of Duty World War.
With unmatched ferocity, Hitler's war machine has launched its blitzkrieg against Western Europe, pushing it to the brink. As we brace for our darkest hour, we must summon our strength to be the bulwark against oppression. The Nazi onslaught will be the greatest test we'll ever face. But with our allies, face it and defeat it we must.
Josh, Mr. Transformers, okay? Chest this is going on, impressive. Show mission this.
This day we set upon a mighty endeavor. To struggle to preserve our civilization and to set free a suffering humanity. Our sons, pride of our nation, lead them straight and true. Their road will be long and hard. Men's souls will be shaken with the violences of war. In this hour of great sacrifice, we shall prevail.
Ceaglór mar sin. Was nach mór réile goil. Siad an bhfuil an camera agam sin á ceart a feicim linn.
Paul, it's June 6, 1944. Wish you could see this, brother. We're invading some frog beach I'm not supposed to even know the name of. Also, we can take back France from the Nazis.
Tell us.
But the waiting's been half the battle.
Ceaglór níor mé Claymore should have father law, so
he asked me for my watch, and I'm thinking, what the hell do you want my watch for? You're the captain of the goddamn football team. But
I made some good buddies in basic, and they're all on the boat with me. Everybody's scared as hell, but nobody's letting on. I hated Zussman the first week of basic, but now he's probably the best friend I have in the world. He's always looking for trouble. If there wasn't already a war on, he'd be off trying to start one.
Besides, I gotta keep all my fingers. I'm gonna take photo of the year.
Styles says he's gonna be a photographer for Life magazine. Kinda looks like Clark Kent said when he takes off his glasses, the only thing that happens is he can't see shit. Elo's the vet, but being honest, he's what Ma would call a bit of a rube.
Well, it's so say Sean,
let's make this more interesting.
Like enough of his sponsor, you know.
St. Michael, patron saint of soldiers. He's had my back since Kasserine. Suss me 3 times in 10 seconds, and he's all yours.
I don't know.
Oh, you could always puss out.
My money's on Zussman.
Okay, I'm in.
Can't watch.
Just time me when I tell you. Back to my story. Me and my boys, we muscle our way into this poker game that the football team has going. We worked out a system where they can signal to me everybody's hands. You should have seen the QB's face when I took that pot. You ready? That's what happens when you try to hustle a hustler. Now, you get flushed.
No free.
Ilo had enough fight in him for 2 men.
Well, the changing bro. We should just go on alien fresh.
That's not what she said last night.
And enough bigotry for 6.
Apparently you did.
Yeah. I'm gonna get me something better. A real trophy, you'll see.
Good luck with that.
Oh! Briefing's at 1800, we're gonna be late.
I'll be there enough.
I got us covered, Daniels. Don't worry about it.
Briefing's about to start. What the hell you boys
Oh,
doing?
Mr.
Then there's Sergeant
Transformers.
Pearson. A real sweetheart.
You think you're special, huh? The Krauts are going to eat your lunch.
No, not our lunch, Sergeant. Our lunch is secure.
Watch your lips, Zussman. On me.
Since I'm obviously on a lucky streak,
Kijk,
whatever
Lord Kies,
happens,
ma. Ha, en dan
stay
ik
close. First Normandy,
was een kraan in de
then the Rhine. We got this, Daniels.
Is Misha Daniels er nou? Acht me rein is le rein de master.
Today, with our allies, we embark on an operation of unparalleled importance to establish a beachhead at Normandy and roll back the German aggression that has terrorized Europe for the past 5 years. We are all that separates the world from darkness. This, so much more than a chance to be heroes in our own lifetimes. If we prevail, our triumph will be etched into the hearts and minds of a grateful world for untold generations. I'm talking about glory, gentlemen. True glory.
Colonel Davis sure can give a nice speech. His pep talk reminded me of the one Coach Johnson gave us on our Thanksgiving Day game versus Austin. I'm sure you remember we lost that game by 42 points. Always looking over Pearson's shoulders, Lieutenant Turner. He's got him on a tight leash. But if Pearson breaks free, we'll all get Joe
and Trasha. I wish I could dance like they do me.
Ever since I could hold a rifle, I wanted to be like you, Paul. You've always been a tough act to follow. But I'm damn sure gonna try.
Ik hoor du, Captain.
It's now or never.
Hey, I wish I was coming home to her.
Yeah, just wait till we hit Paris.
Seems like a long way off.
Remember, no digging in at the shore. You've got to advance. You need to stay low and do not bunch up. Stick to your training, you're gonna make it through. I'm proud to lead you fellas into battle. Anytime, anywhere.
All right, give him hell, boys!
The beaches are supposed to be flattened, right?
Sound scared, Private.
No, sir.
You should be.
Daniel, got a light?
Sure thing.
Everybody down!
Smoking kills.
Watch out! Get down! 500 yards! We're gonna have to pull off! No! Stay on mission! You're taking us in! We want some friction! I can't see the landmark! You heard the lieutenant! Full speed! Incoming! Hold tight! God damn it! 200 yards! 20 seconds!
5 seconds.
Stay plan! Get to the seawall!
Couples at game!
Get the Bangalore to the wire! Fast! Everybody ready!
Transformers.
Here we go! Drop the ramp! There's no cover! That was an order, goddammit! Drop it!
Margaret, get the Sulagun. Knock him from my boss. They got the team for him before boss.
Over the side!
Jacqueline.
Get your head down and keep moving!
Fiber a bit.
Daniel!
August Palmer.
Take a Bangalore and get to the seawall! Daniel! This is what you trained for! Now pick up that banger! You can do this! Yes, sir! Oh, Jesus!
Right in.
Daniel, this way! Hurry!
For my boss again.
Hurry before they reload! Move it!
Daniel, this way! Hurry!
Yeah, the second one was dirty. This one was great.
Private Daniel, get to the seawall!
Oh, wie mit Bürgner. You're making it Call of Duty.
Hurry before they reload! Move it!
We should worry.
Private Daniel, get to the seawall!
Hurry! Get to the seawall! I'll meet you there!
Sin husa Dime dinner awan se bergam a veil húna. Ach vístum gur íon ná gur fáil siad
Hurry before they reload! Move it!
Spree of these ones then.
Hurry!
Private Daniels, get to the seawall!
These are killing us! Get off the beach!
Díomh fad Colmán anseo ag díra an céad mission campaign
Hurry before they reload! Move it! Private Daniels, get to the seawall! Now don't breach that seawall!
Get to the seawall! I'll meet you there!
Nime generalidad. Was a
Hurry before they reload! Move it! Private Daniels, get to the seawall! Don't breach that seawall!
Get to the seawall! I'll meet you there!
Yeah, the main throw is not good. She's gonna roll you.
fire! Use that banger to breach the seawall! Daniel! Use the banger! I'll cover you! After we breach, keep pushing towards the bunker! We're almost there!
Banger.
Pull it! Pull it! Fire in the hole!
Riley.
Come on! It's ready! Attack! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Shit.
Push forward! Into the front! Hurry!
Near a no strap ground in the Chanel.
Fire in the hole! Come on! It's ready! Attack! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Push forward! Into the front! Hurry! That wound looks bad. Here, take this. Thanks, bud. All right, here we go.
Can't advance with those MGs firing on our position!
Fire support incoming! He's leaving fire! Okay, I see him.
Good, Rowita. Hold on.
You have to get to the bunker!
Fire light shot ammunition. No, la target area.
Ain't nothing left! Get to the top!
They're sprinting shot. Someone's field me. Someone grab it. No, please take it. Run this, Mr. Lago. Tá Ulucal. Tá gur Medal of Honor frontline imirt ar PS though in nish. A mulla bheith agam. Brand new an shrusho a fa.
Take point and clear those bunkers.
PS though. Bunsultas. New fallanja.
Right behind you! Crowds are dug in! Daniel, get a grenade in that bunker! From the northwest! Hacking a Yankee!
Throw the grenade!
Her licer, mate.
Right behind you! Daniel, get a grenade in that bunker! I have a first aid kit!
Grenade out! Throw the grenade!
First one down! All right, bunker's empty. Let's go! First aid kit ready for you!
Send it this way!
Catch! MGs are still sweeping the beach! We gotta take them out!
Da kommt einer aus der Deckung!
You hurt? We gotta get to the bunker! Out infantry!
Jump in, bunker, over at the...
MGs are hitting us! Coming at us! Get out of the man! Turret fly! Move up!
Grenade!
We hear it. Drug on him from. Come here, up. Little Marshall in the east. How do they marry kid live out of Fortnite fresh? Being with the Shruhu Fortnite, the teacht and Shahogin, Decade and Shahogin, Larry Shop.
First aid kit ready for you.
Bei Cahar again, bei Fern de Cahar. Gage Shrub go in shouldn't teacht and Shahogin. Biggie Lynn, Hoshin, Oma.
Bunker's clear, let's go!
Everybody out! Bunker's clear!
Cahar, look. Oh, imirt. Some more sporting. Hector shin bunker over those into.
Toss it! Catch!
Charlie! That's shot. What's these? A little more meat on the foes, so good mate.
Artillery's hitting the beach! Next assault wave, they gonna make it! Gotta move up! Let artillery! Yes, sir! Toss it out, a grenade! Yankee granate!
Yeah, perfect. Let's go.
I'm going in! Grenade out!
Be taken.
Yankee! Fire! They're exiting cover! Bewego!
Lord, Sophie Leishwan, Ella, you know, Sue here,
He's dead! He's dead!
Cyber and flick it. Rogue on the niche to me. He's firing the booster pod. Show bunker 3. Capcom. Look down him off.
Incoming!
Ah, wie is good or sin bear rotro at the Cacklor.
Get out!
Oh, Dobby. Yeah, near me soon the shin. Jogging dog. Robine. De main genoeg. Zero.
Bewegung! Rück vor! Amerikanische Truppen! Die haben
Kontakt! 12 Uhr!
Piece of man. Healer should not argue. Don't need more healer stuff. Yeah, I'll give some more to it. Beetje good moving here with the ear. Kom met de goed. Kijk, daar show not from my boss. Or hier nog, maar goed mee beweer. Tackle like grenade.
Incoming!
Germans in the open!
Coming in the Nähe! Ungeschützte Grab a grenade!
Heckler Shin, bunker Everett Sweet, Zinta, 3 on Gunna Ella, Crack, Brenner, Road more Mieto shot on Fight Dragon, fishing gonna Diagut Carbrook. Carbrook? Moleshka one of our Russian Gert, the fear runner.
That's your first aid kit.
Leish Agus. Woods to the Armra Agus O'Reilly. Good heads, but then.
Rear guard! Keep up! Eyes and ears! Quickly!
Let's go. Bunker one and the gun.
Somebody! Help! Grenade out!
Yeah, can't make grenade lash. I was wire mate. Near me, so I mean,
near the mortar!
Moving in from the southeast! They're exiting cover!
They're exiting cover!
Rush forward! Move up and file!
They're exiting cover!
To the northwest! Target 2 o'clock!
Advancing from the west! Crack shot! He's dead!
Oh, empty! Reloading!
Reloading!
Enemies breaking from cover!
Toss it out a grenade!
Enemy grenade! Watch out! I got it! Fritz is on the move!
Gotta reload!
They're making a break!
Cuid did have it.
Reloading!
Chin. Come on, go.
Styles, Aiello with me. Daniels, you and Zussman clear the last bunker. Rally at the top of the bluff. And for fuck's sakes, don't get yourselves killed.
Twitch le Colmán mac chaill, tá mé le Bloc TG Cahir agus seo Call of Duty, agus goes a campaign agus bun soltas caiim ra. And Garon's movie agam godí seo fin na cluichí Call of Duty ná le lagan na clubí sa sa tauchaí agus an stuff sin ar fad. Bhí sé spríúil up a písí nach an sin. Bhí sé das sosáil sin is cléir mar seo imirt.
All right, Zussman. One more.
We got this, Daniels. Fritz is on the move. Coming at us.
Move up. Over by the okay, see him. Shots fired.
Move it up.
Advancing from the west.
Here we go!
Shouldn't Marv. Yeah, what? Yeah.
Suspect!
Oh shit! Oh, we don't care to do that. Oh, they're ready to see where it's Tam się baza. Oh, but Jack and me cluster. Let's get this baby. Mike, second award generation in this year. Ah, there is. Kijk door. Ordo meisje tussen Mike en de kant. Oh, my nail.
here, buddy.
I can't walk.
Oh, shit.
Get me the fuck out of here.
We're gonna get you out of here. Stay with me.
Claro, dyn ni'n pause book yn sin, agos just dyn ni'n check mo waik, so second one just microphone level, cyrra just suas rúin biogada, agos sin dinta, so sy'n yn gwtio sin is fair, muna wyl, tar rasagum.
We've got to get over to that CCP!
Cacklor Tom with Rashroom a piece of shit or Mike suit him good shape. He's starting on my V.
On your left! Shit!
He done with a there from the gun.
We gotta take cover! How many? Too many! Shit! I'm out! We're clear! Come on!
You call that fucking clear?
I'm losing too much blood.
Hang in there! Keep your head down! Did you get him? Shit! They keep coming! I'm out! Watch out! He's down! Let's move! We gotta move! I got you! Fuck!
Whoa.
We can get down here! I got you! Shit! Stay down! Shit! Shit!
Stop too.
Oh man, I'm bleeding out. Just keep pressure on it. Almost there. Come on up here, move!
Shin. He's thrust a bunch of shit.
Stay with me.
I
need morphine.
Oh, druggy.
You gotta hang on. Those girls in Paris are waiting for you. Really? Of course they are.
How about another look at your girl? Huh?
You kidding me?
It's okay. I can't see shit.
Twitter again is the Facebook again fruition.
What a rest
right here. Chat. Much figure that into worth doing.
You have to stay awake. Hey.
Daniels.
I'm here.
Help me.
I need a goddamn medic! I got this! Go! He'll take care of him. I need you with me, Daniels. Listen up! There's a GPF cannon by the farmhouse up the road. It's tearing up the beach. Let's move! We'll come back for you. Check your ammo and grenades.
You heard him. Up the road now.
Move it up! Ammo when you're ready, Private. Here, Daniels. Huh?
Give him 3.
Get to the farmhouse. Be ready to engage.
Move fast! Shit. They're shelling that beach to shit!
MG in the hayloft! Take cover! Hit the MG!
What an MG? cramming and stuff.
Grenade out!
Get him with gunella. Oh, your hand vision.
Can't let them retake the cannon!
Hold the position! Nobody gets through! Incoming!
Here they come! Open fire! Someone get on the MG! Grenade!
Sasul.
Routes inbound!
Can't let them retake the cannon!
Hold the
Grenade!
position! Nobody gets through!
Oh. We're the Harden Chin, near a Dohan Cook to Malov.
Routes inbound!
He make Gira, Dean, and Ain't Waru.
Can't let them retake the cannon!
Hold the position! Nobody gets through!
Here they come! Open fire!
Sure.
Someone get on the MG!
Oh.
Ammo when you're ready, Private! Grenade!
They're hanging from the wall!
Daniel, I got ammo! By the tree!
First aid boss, that's all winning.
Daniel, I got ammo! Take some ammo, Daniels! Lob it a smoke grenade!
Pull out. Captain going to Cartog is going to use.
Crowd's inbound!
So, dull, egg and
Can't let them retake the cannon!
Hold the position! Nobody gets through! Incoming!
Here they come! Open fire! Someone get on the MG! Daniels! Grenade!
Met with deer here. Good.
Get your ammo, Daniels! Our boys are coming in!
Fucking them scatter!
Got him!
All right, boys. We mopped them up good.
Mahoo.
Clear! Destroy that cannon! Got it!
Sir, ready for ammo.
Here, one that chin.
Daniels! Thermite!
Boom with his go. Jack your Mogiri, Bertuggy loose, Bertuggy and tap away, tap.
Good work, Daniels. All right, fellas, rally on me to the assembly.
Remains armored Ri, why Booma a lag Mayhain. Rud simul fwyn MG da the do, Hashe Mira Kuike Pillar Hula Nomad, Shin Fig Kui Hula second. Shin size the threats in the Fair Kui
Pearson!
Fair Kui.
I'll need a casualty report.
Neil more intin and Mata Marshini in it.
We took the beach.
Paid a damn high price.
Oh, should have bait back.
Daniels.
They really ready to go.
I thought I'd seen everything. He gonna be all right?
Yeah. He taped him up pretty good.
Should have stayed on the boat.
Harvek Kunter of an MG. I'll be plucky.
Hey, what you did back there, I owe you.
I'd say we're even.
We'll see this through.
To the end?
To the end.
Beachhead secured. We'll bivouac at the second hedgerow after the ridge.
Welcome to the bloody first. You're a long way from Texas, farm boy.
It's brought up the need to shit a school on. You're a long way from home, boy.
None of us could have prepared for that. But you came through when it counted.
Thanks,
sir.
Clifton, you're a long
You'll
way
be all
from
right,
Clifton, Colmán.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Of course I will.
Come one made sultash in it in Caimera. Filtration hooked been up.
I don't know who the hell decided this was the best way to retake Europe, but I'll guarantee you one thing. They weren't on the beach with us this morning.
Dwi'n meddwl chun sosyn bioga hogan yn siw gachtan it. Dwi'n rhaid lifi gan second yn go. Agus fec me siw fi gan Chránáid agus bhfuil mé fógra fá go bheice sibh. Ceacair bhfuil ní é seo an leis scéal. Bhfuil mé gimocht ach seo Ceannas go féile mé sin a chur agus go mé éag daoine ceir tá toirliú. Naibrín sin? Sinna léh bugad mé caiithíar inis. No, níl sé chun seasamh. Sinna fógar ina mé. Imethe ag teach an asal. Sin nás go mis dul. Ba mé as libh gan second. Dyn mé iirta sinna chus ágáil suas. Imethe teach an asal. Glór, tá mé ras. Tá mé ras gachtainna. Sin an fógar rinne mé. Scáilm imachtar bheith cúpla nóméid le haid. Leis an lepras a úsáid sin téirme deascaig go dtíobh an sin. Imethe ag teach an asal. Ach tá mé ras. Agus an ceann eile rinne mé ná na fatís na watís go mé tuirseach. Sus chuig nóméid le haid cúpan caí. Ach dó mé neomach a caí neo sinna fá go mé ag freistal ar teach an asal chomininic. Ach ní gá díobh is sinna bheith rólas agaí, mar tá bhfuil an seo le Call of Duty imirt agus ní le rudaí á féisce mar sin a chluisteán uimse. Lena muidirín, continue le a thuil. Tásúil an gúte bunt sult as an stream as chula hort, so bin agé D-Day, tá mo chun rain sunrí a chur sús chat díobh, tá nasc Twitter gul sús, agus nasc Facebook freisin, mat sé bhgéirí súlacha gachard ítachus eisteach a bhín ar siúil ag Bloc. So Lena Muidirín, Operation Cobra.
To break out of Normandy, we're
just chaill díocha seachán. The ruddy brother in East Asia.
And the fellas, I'd say we're doing pretty good. Not good enough for Pearson, but nothing is. Maybe I'll get home by Christmas with a couple medals on my chest. But first, we gotta take Marigny.
Schmeling versus LaMotta.
Schmeling would have KO'd LaMotta. No way. And Schmeling's a Nazi. I'd shoot him in a heartbeat.
Now, they made him their poster boy. That guy didn't have a choice.
We all got a choice.
You know, Nietzsche said there was only strong...
That's enough mouth. All right. What about Lewis versus Sugar Ray Robinson?
If we're talking 1938, Lewis Robinson wins hands down.
Hey, look who came back for more.
I thought you were out another week.
Not after I heard a bunch of tough SOBs were about to take Marigny.
Well, playbook's
So
working.
much of Diogesh Bullshach agus Straw. Thomas Gimmert on campaigner Call of Duty World War II. Tan Chéad Cuid D-Day Dinta, Tan Ladshaw, Fos
Glad to
BEO.
have you back, Private.
Good to be back, sir.
All right, fellas. We got a unique opportunity here.
Near
It's our
with the
chance to break out of Normandy.
Rowa, Pishido
Won't
hit.
be easy. The hedgerows are heavily defended. We got reports of Kraut armor in the area. But if we can hold and secure Marigny, we own the roadways. And if Zussman can take a knife in the gut and come out swinging,
Spot the show,
I like our odds just fine.
Always bet on a winner, sir.
For Turner, shielding us is his noble calling.
Let's move.
The war just has a habit of getting in the way.
The war does have a habit of killing him. Fraud from the Kadu T Bear caught him. Glor, Operation Cobra. Bull Mutful. Tá Zussman agam, má bhí an arm. Lysa oil, agus a Turner agam, má bhí an arm to the armor oil. Agus Chéador, tá with their tank.
You know, a wound like this takes 8 weeks to heal.
I'm ready, Sergeant. You've got my word.
Oh, your word, huh? That don't mean shit to me.
It's brolish and not sure about Gascony.
So you're good, huh?
I'm just fine and dandy, sir.
Tá sé rá go sé fáil an dandy ach ní réide mé.
I just don't want to see him.
Tanks rolling!
Yeah, tá not sin bíad.
Hang on tight, boys. It's gonna get rough.
What else is new?
I think Pearson likes you.
Like a lion likes a steak.
Let's go! Let's go!
There it's sure.
Looks like you're holding up all right.
Could have like
How about yourself?
I couldn't let you guys have all the fun.
Swin it. Cut into
Fun's
like
not allowed
character
under Pearson.
America.
You know why he's always
Stuff
writing
like
you?
Sure.
Gasoline Pass.
Lost my best friends there.
Yeah, earned him an Article 15 and a demotion. He had to be a hard ass, and his men paid the price. Mission was FUBAR, a massacre. Nazis had no mercy. Hell, we only survived because they didn't have time to seal the western exit. Almost lost everything thanks to that son of a bitch. But Turner still ain't over it. Matter of fact, he was the one who wrote him up. Pearson figures if he makes you a model platoon, he'll get it scrubbed.
Only we're doing the scrubbing.
Yeah, now you're getting it. That's why he's never gonna give up.
Lamer.
He'd kill to have it removed.
Hey, you know what I'd kill for? Decent grub.
You just had supper.
Hey, shit on a shingle doesn't count.
Hey, how about barbecue, eh?
Shit in the tanks.
They never stood a chance.
I'm guessing
I wish I
no to
could
the
do
open
quite big
casket.
character.
That's somebody's son.
Like
It's a crowd.
American
Daniels
Pie,
is
I
right.
guess the correction there.
We're not all bad.
Terminator.
They did give us Kepler.
Well, to my
Mozart.
phone there for the
Marlena Dietrich.
Armra.
Don't forget about their inventions. You got the
the
printing
Hiram
press,
Mitsuda.
electron microscope.
Frankfurters.
You guys
Job
are killing
shot.
me.
You guys hear that?
It's headed this way.
Stupids, inbound.
Steam shoe.
Me out of there. Clear the tanks.
Yeah. You're missing tank. Big good tank.
Panzers! Get off the road. We'll circle around. Move. We have to protect our Shermans. That's black fire in the distance.
Protect our Shermans.
We're gonna capture one of their AA guns and bring down those Stukas.
MG's in the barn.
Shit! Everyone down! You gotta hit those MGs! I need teams to flank them left and right! Go, go, go! Keep moving! Exiting cover! Don't let up! Enemy breaking for cover!
Oh, nie bez. light.
Throw the grenade!
Grenade to me. Grenade pit.
Lob in a smoke! Grenade! Upstairs!
Bhí stop go dom se sin. Yeah, is mé héanamh bachúis lei sin.
MG's in the barn!
Shit! Everyone down!
Sé má aig chugaí sluch. Ready to be in.
Go, go, go! Grenade! Grenade! Let's go! To the northeast!
The words. Shut the boys. Yes, you know so. Took my mom in the workshop. Hear the hardings. We're looking to the ski.
Straight ahead! Sprint! On the move!
Target's on the second floor!
Okay, see him!
It's got my Asian flesh to that. Oh, actually. Yeah, he's what's the fuck, Bill?
He's dead! Get ahead! Towards the board! German troops! Clear out!
Myers. Post Bill. Or Valentine. Oh, damn. What's rid of me? He's still here. Beyond. Liga.
I'm empty! Reloading!
You're in the hangles. Come on, you know. Sorry, shit. My magic potion. Ránam ar na daoine hagann steach tí péirgóid. Ní éireann daoine na.
Could use some help!
Here!
He's leaving cover! Open fire!
Ah! Ain for the mahagum. Thought for the mahagum.
Enemies moving! Approach! From the wall! Empty! Reloading!
Throw the grenade!
Uh-oh. Here, you gotta put a grenade more up. Perfect.
Ammo when you're ready!
Ah. He's an arm.
Clear! Barn secure!
Push into the field! We need to rally with our tanks! Eyes and ears! Quicker now! Punch!
Tuckman got the shit up.
Spread out! He's breaking! Get your ammo, Daniel!
juice. What a more. What's been MG lag?
Move! Push him back!
That was pain. Jogging 23, gonna say talk to Misha Kamal. It's in a campaigner, just where they get differently in it. Your Deshag Maim or Fos, okay, your Canny Main for the Cuid BEO in. She's correct.
Ammo when you're ready, Private. Let's go. Sir, ready for ammo. Got you covered, Private.
Get after them! Come on, they're on the run! Keep pushing! Get ahead!
You haven't got a shoulder when I revert. Trail with the waffle, 28. Ah, better run the Yagam.
German troops!
Moving ahead.
Céad ó funú cléir seo. Yeah, Mr. Freshen.
There's the black gun!
Iacham here. Zimmerman in that airpod. We're all in
Here, tanks. Armor needs our support. We're gonna take the AA gun behind that tree line.
Your hand is the year leader and everything now. This is fast scale the size of the patient but it's a fraction of body. So it's more sporty shot than I wrote. Bei me go bei me in the about the Erlina. Gap Pikefish Capum. The Imror the Van Spaceman. Rawlish Call of Duty share out again. It's famous in the Shrubbill should it live or
There's the AA gun! Let's clean up these crowds and help our tanks out!
Toss it out, a grenade! Let's go! Get on that flak gun and take out those Stukas!
Alright, find Desh.
Those bombers are killing our armor! You gotta take them down! Here they come!
Enemy troop!
2 o'clock! Target destroyed!
He's going down!
Guy on the radio sounds pissed. Crowds don't know what's happening. More coming in. 1 o'clock.
Yeah, right.
Our tanks can't take much more of this. Hit those Stukas. They're on to us. Stukas attacking our position. Direct hit. Coming in hot. Going down.
Here's Shinro.
11 o'clock!
Sarah. Touching.
Direction.
Not yet!
3 o'clock.
all of them. Good job, Daniels.
For shin, he's thrust the button shin. Game of fun, break agent.
Hey, Perez. Hey, Perez. You okay? They got my buddy Mills in the ambush, but we hit him back hard. The holdouts are dug in the packs up ahead. Gotta clean them out.
Think
on Pearson, take a fire team through the orchard and find an overwatch position. After you soften up the packs, I'll lead the main assault with Perez.
Medal of Honor.
Yes, sir.
Daniel, Sussman, you're with me.
Yeah,
come on.
Medal of Honor for each fad. Okay, narration may let run a bit if you go around shit.
Daniels, hurry up and get to the road.
Lushta another Dina. Cool.
Keep moving, Daniels. We need you on the road.
Perez says Pack 38s. What the hell's that?
German artillery. Tank killers. Did you read the briefing?
What are we supposed to do against tank killers?
I was wondering that myself.
This is clear early in the call. Oh,
it's one of ours. P-47.
Damn it. Wish I would have gotten to that flak gun sooner.
Can't blame yourself.
Those are civilians. This is a war crime.
Shit.
Over here. We've got a vantage point. Get out your binoculars. There's Perez and his boys. We're heading right into hell. We gotta hit those pack operators hard. Everyone open fire!
I got eyes on two packs. Daniels, take out those
one more! Pick up that sniper rifle, Daniels! All clear! Watch out! Friendly tanks coming over the trenches!
Another enemy position just past the hedges. Fall in behind the tanks.
Everyone fall in! Fall in!
Stack behind the tanks!
Run, go on the Ella.
Stack behind the tanks!
Let's put these rhinos to good use. All tanks forward.
MG-42s! Stay behind the tanks! Use the tanks for cover!
We got trucks running out of the trenches! Target at 1 o'clock! Enemy breaking from cover! Straight to the dome!
Gunners, target that MG-42 nest, right side! Fire!
Contact! Tank water! Target that MG-42 nest! Fire! Stay with the tanks!
Play ball.
Clear! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Keep pushing! More Germans behind this ridge!
Straight ahead! Fritz is on the move! Enemy movement ahead! Bullseye!
The Germans are retreating!
Look at them run! That's right, Fritz! We're coming for you! Keep moving! Keep pushing forward!
Allied tank is down! Taking fire from Pack 38! Need eyes on them!
We can't advance until the Pack 38s are down! Get the high ground and take out the Pack 38 crews! All tanks fighting out!
Come here, Daniel! Let's move up
aid kit's ready! First aid kit's ready!
Send it this way!
Catch! Daniels, pick up a scope rifle and hit those packs! I see 3 pack guns! Hit the ammo caches! Daniels, shoot the ammo caches! Daniels, shoot the ammo caches! You got it! 2 more! Hit the ammo caches! Tanks are moving! We gotta sweep the trenches! Thanks for the fire support, Daniels! Fritz! All tanks! Light up those trenches! Let's clear it out! Pearson, get your men up there and clear those trenches! Roger that! Everyone move up and clear those trenches! Germans in the open! Southeast! Nailed them!
Oh, that's
Ice off your run! Hold your fire!
Down!
She's dead, that's.
Send it this way!
Hey! It started! They're all right!
August onwards.
Lieutenant.
Whew, Fishin.
Hold on. CO approaching!
Fishin Gmorlem. Kan wij run level shit. Pause stop hier om ze ruin usle. Agus am Irish. Níor ein gá go man ein fógrús á nóir sin gur cúpla sola selacha ar siúd bhí sé fásáis dúrcha ceapam so Rashly.
All right, listen up. Charlie Company's under assault near the church. They need ammo and fire support. Send a squad immediately.
Sir, we're already stretched pretty thin.
Then stretch thinner.
Yes, sir.
We can take the jeep, so we're gonna need armored support.
All right, that's the plan. Perez! Pearson will follow you with the squad. Can't do it. Just got orders from Collins. We're heading west with the 11th.
God damn it.
Those boys are running out of time.
You're on your own. Take the jeeps and head out. Move!
All right, snap to it! Charlie's up Shit Creek and we're the paddle. Let's go! Let's go!
Sure.
Hey, which way to Marigny?
Follow this road to the next village over.
You're a
This turn coming, go easy! The road splits up ahead! Keep an eye out for retreating tracks! They'll run right on top of Charlie Company. We gotta get there first! Swing left! Look out! Daniel, crouch up ahead!
Head down!
Glory! Which way?
Straight! Go straight!
Can't hold them much longer!
What? Hard right! Shit!
Sussman! Grab the wheel! I'm getting on the gun!
I'm on it!
Enemy jeep!
Grab jeep! Get ahead!
Can't hold them much longer!
Charlie's counting on that!
Road's blocked!
There's an opening! Hold on! Enemy troops! Out from the right! Straight ahead! Take him out! Almost there! Hang on! Charlie Company, you got a house!
Right here!
They're all over the house! More coming in! Circle left! Don't let up! That's all you got?
They're falling back!
Clean up the rest!
Set up a perimeter by the road.
A few more!
All clear.
Session.
Rally up.
Spree.
We gotta stop meeting like this.
Why don't you be going
Get
soft
back in
on
spray
me,
my
Murphy?
eye with
Well,
it.
thanks for showing up when you did.
Thank Captain Davis. It was his orders. Okay. It's too late to press on.
So.
It looks like you boys got a reprieve.
Excuse me, Sergeant. Isn't
Isn't
half the crowd army on the other side of those buildings? Shouldn't we find a better place to set up a perimeter?
Sure, Private. Why don't you book us a room at the Ritz?
Sir. He's scared as all.
Why don't you worry about your own problems? Like how that side is going to hold up tomorrow.
I'm right as rain, Sergeant.
Ní a lácho fáil mór
Yeah.
an grá.
Why don't you watch him? The only thing more dangerous than the enemy is pride. Rest up, boys.
Chúis sé bheith sin.
We take Meridier at first light.
Can't believe I'm
Stara
fighting
Ella
alongside
Shin.
Zussman again. He's
Like
holding up
Carbrook.
all right, considering we just blasted through miles of
Carcamel.
hedgerows.
50
You'd
caliber.
think Pearson might go a little easier on him.
Germánacha a bhrisise. The car
You'd be
Germán
wrong.
hagamsa. Golf. Ní dólam gynnych sé goma y gwyna gwyna. Sin mo fíric. Dyn mwyd tila. Dyn mission ella. Agus fec mwyd lyn. So ta mwyd yn nish. Ta D-Day dynta. Ta Operation Cobra dynta. Stronghold Cheig Chian ella. So búl mwyd fi'n gan sin. Just mar olas di freshen ein ta brennu fi láthar. Tatan si hugin. De céidann se hugin leir hééis seach bé mud a surthú beo Fortnite cethir fur de cheathir me héin Bachtara gur Emma Carrigan agus imróir héal agus sin bé sro Call of Duty eile agin sin le Spaceman áit mé me héin agus a héin beo a ríseir Twitch agus mud a go lína de multiplayer agus tá Far Cry 5 an bailach freisin sin tá ceannatha agamsa agus mé tuairt faoi sin go luú freisin an canal Twitch má gur til agus bhí Bloc mé mar sin tá ar Twitter, Facebook agus gaile áit eile ach dana mu airn
July 26th. We're holed up in a farmhouse outside of Marigny.
Call of Duty
I close my eyes.
Start a mission.
Red, take a shot!
Same dream, huh?
Pretty much. Can't seem to shake it. I'm good now. You get some rest.
No. I have to show Pearson I'm ready.
I don't care what he says. You ain't got nothing to prove.
Yeah, well, I'm tired of taking his shit.
Well...
Back home, you want to settle something, you do it head on. It's the only way to earn respect.
Understand that. Believe me, a man has to fight his own battles. But respect don't mean a lot if you get yourself killed.
Well, it's good girthy, mate. Be careful to this,
Besides, good old St. Michael's watching over us, so we got nothing to worry about.
I realize you guys believed in that stuff.
I'll take all the help I can
St.
get.
Michael's in Arish, féidir Pilar, Prabhuai.
So are you gonna tell me about that dream, or what?
Wolves had been killing our cattle. Me and my older brother Paul were hunting them when we got cornered.
Brad! Brad, take the shot!
I'm trying!
You all right?
I'm sorry, Paul.
Listen good, kid. It's only natural to be scared. We need to head home, baby brother.
From that day on, I swore I'd never let Paul down again. And now it's not just him I gotta live up to.
Thomas.
It's Pearson.
That's a piece of shit.
Get to cover! Come on! Now, Turner will lead the maneuver element into the square. Our job is to lay down suppressive fire from that church. Any questions? Good, I have a question. Save them up, Styles. You win a gold star. Let's go.
I think I'm his favorite.
Holy shit! I need cover fire on the left! Everyone else, right! Secure that house! Moving up! I'll cover you. Enemies on our door! Daniel, keep your head down! Moving it!
Through the hoarding area.